down here for the farmers market, and we've sponsored the Gator swimming team, which is our Glidden local team. And what we're going to do is they're going to raise money for starting blocks. So we've donated almost $200 worth of hamburgers and hot dogs, buns and everything. They're going to fry them up, and we're going to try to sell them and make some money for those starting blocks. So right after this, we're going to go up there and see them sell some hamburgers and hot dogs. So this is a good thing to be a part of, because there's a lot of communities here, not just Glidden. You got Carroll, Coon Rapids, Breda, I mean, all the surrounding community. But it's kind of, we're doing this Karl Cares again, because we do care about the community. I've been here a long time, and it's something we're going to keep giving to everywhere around, not just Glidden, but everywhere around Carroll County.